Welcome to my video on 15 ways to use ChatGPT for ghostwriting, along with example prompts. ChatGPT is a powerful language model developed by OpenAI, and it has a wide range of applications in content creation. Watch me what keywords I use in this video to fetch data as a pro user or writer from the ChatGPT bot. And in case you feel sick to the video, there is a document link where all these ideas and their details such as main keyword, title, and the basic hint for the description are given. Download the file and enjoy. Videos on earning with ChatGPT are uploaded daily. Subscribe to get them.